So I finally got my boost cooler. I ordered it July 11th. It showed up July 22nd. And then I had to call Snow because they forgot to put the jets in it, the right jets. And the guy I talked to down there wasn't very helpful, so I called Shelly at Jegs. She got on the phone, got the right jets coming, and then they put them in the mail, so it took another 12 days. Here's what's in the kit. Got all the hardware and a tank and 2 plates and instruction book and all that, and like I said, they didn't send the right jets. But we're going to get this on pretty soon, hopefully.